Hi everybody, it's username Kate and welcome back to the channel. This is episode 2 of our tartification, our modification of the Suzuki GSX-8R long-term loan. Oh, that tank is hot in this sun right now. So, in the previous episode you will have seen that we fitted this very sexy thing for looks as well as audible delight. But now, we're going to tackle something a little bit more practical. Engine protection, crash protection, and of course, sorting out that back end on the bike because as it stands, it's unacceptable. So, we're going to fit it with lots of R&G goodies. So if you want to find out what exactly is going to go on this bike and what it will look like when everything is on it, then definitely keep watching. So, Mike started off with what should have been a really small job, fitting the rad guard. Actually, I say that, but for him it's a bit fiddly. Mike's missing the tip of his middle finger. Don't ask, let's just say he lost a fight with a running lawnmower, not advisable. Fitting the guard is pretty straightforward. You just line it up and secure it with the tiny bespoke cable ties that come in the R&G fitting kit. They're small and they do the job. Next up was the clutch cover. Here you can see Mike removing a few bolts and replacing them with longer ones from the fitting kit. Where you can see the silver bolt, that's one of the new longer ones. The rest of the factory bolts are tucked away under the actual cover, but it all lines up really nicely. Once that was secured, he moved on to the water pump. Same process there. Then he spun the bike around and repeated it all on the other side, fitting the alternator cover with the same method. After everything was nipped up and tightened down, it was time for the main event, in my opinion anyway, which is the R&G tail tidy. Now, by law, manufacturers have to sell bikes with a number plate hanging far enough back to clear the rear wheel, but let's be honest, ain't nobody got time for that. So Mike removed the factory reg plate holder and fitted the new R&G one. This tail tidy utilises the OEM indicators and comes with its own rear light, since Suzuki's stock one is built into that monstrosity that hangs off the back. The R&G rear light uses a factory plug and comes with a wiring diagram, so it's nice and easy, just plug and play. He wired everything in, routed it to his satisfaction, tested it all, and then stuck the number plate back on. And that was that. Job's a carrot. Right, let's take a look at some before and after shots with all the crash protection and that tidy little tail tidy fitted. Let's go.